Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you the linking rubber band, so what it's called. Good. You need 2 rubber bands. Okay, good. Just take them like this and this. Okay, good. And you just gonna yeah, that's pretty much the trick. And here comes the tutorial. It all is in the setup. Okay, you got 2 normally rubber bands. It can be the person you show it to, rubber bands or something. Yeah, it doesn't matter. But when you do this, just take him there and show it to him or her that you got 2, that they are normal. You can see it, and then you're just taking your 2 fingers in the middle right here, and taking the one here in the bottom and taking the one in the top, so it is like this. So it just looks like they are like this, but they are actually like this. So, and then you are just let go 2 of your fingers, and then it comes here. If you wanna yeah, if you wanna make it better, then say to your the person you show it to that the person can just hold the 2 in the middle together, and then you're just shaking a little bit, and then just let it go, and then the person release their fingers, and then it's together, and then they take their hand on it again, and you just let go with the other 2 fingers. Okay, that was my trick. I hope you enjoyed it. I got it from Scam School, so go check that channel out and subscribe. I love them, so yeah. See you later in my next video.